Own a piece of Uruguayan history. The bimetallic 10 pesos bicentenary of land regulation coin, 2015, yours for just 250 rupees. Step into Uruguay's past with this captivating bimetallic 10 pesos coin, issued in 2015 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of its pivotal land regulation of 1815. For the incredible price of 250 rupees, you can hold a tangible piece of Uruguayan heritage, a circulating commemorative coin that tells a powerful story of equity and progress. This isn't just a coin, it's a vibrant tribute to a foundational moment in Uruguay's history. The bimetallic design, a copper-nickel-clad steel center set within a nickel ring, makes it visually striking and unique. It weighs 10.4 grams, has a diameter of 28 millimeters, and was expertly minted at the prestigious Royal Mint in Lantricent, United Kingdom. Discover the story within the coin. Obverse Majesty. The obverse features the iconic coat of arms of Uruguay, proudly encircled by the country's name, República Oriental del Uruguay, and the year of issue, 2015. Reverse Echoes of Equity. The reverse powerfully depicts the heads of a gaucho, an Afro-descendant, and an indigenous person, all facing right. Above them reads, Bicentenario del Reglamento de Tierras de 1815, Bicentenary of Land Regulation of 1815. Below this significant inscription is the profound quote from Artigas, a key figure in Uruguayan history: Los más infelices serán los más privilegiados, the most unfortunate will be the most privileged, highlighting the equity desired by the land regulations. The denomination, $10, sits at the bottom. A fusion of designs. Interestingly, this commemorative coin combines elements of previous Uruguayan coinage, sharing its obverse design with the 10 pesos coins from 2011 to 2015, kilometer 134. The reverse, while reminiscent of the 2000 pesos coin from the same year, is uniquely presented in this eye-catching bimetallic format. Minted by royalty. This piece of Uruguayan history was struck by the renowned Royal Mint in the UK, ensuring its quality and collectability. Why this bimetallic commemorative coin is a must-have for you. Commemorates a landmark event. Own a piece directly celebrating a crucial bicentenary in Uruguay's history, the land regulation of 1815, a testament to the nation's ideals of equity. Striking bimetallic beauty. The distinct contrast between the copper-nickel-clad steel center and the nickel ring makes this coin visually appealing and a unique addition to any collection. Powerful symbolism. The reverse design featuring diverse figures and the impactful quote from Artigas speaks volumes about Uruguay's historical values. Affordable piece of history. At just 250 rupees, approximately 10 times its face value, this offers an incredibly accessible way to own a genuine commemorative coin with rich historical significance. A conversation starter. This unique coin is sure to spark interest and conversation among fellow collectors and history enthusiasts. Perfect for gifting. Looking for a thoughtful and educational gift? This coin beautifully encapsulates a significant historical moment and a nation's values. Don't miss this exceptional opportunity to own a piece of Uruguayan history with this stunning bimetallic commemorative coin for only 250 rupees. Limited stock available at this special price. Add this meaningful and visually appealing coin to your collection today. To secure this remarkable bimetallic coin for just 250 rupees, please insert your contact information or purchase link here. Celebrate Uruguayan heritage. Embrace numismatic artistry. Get your bimetallic 10 pesos bicentenary of land regulation coin now.